Have you ever felt like life is pushing you toward something bigger, but you are not sure what it is? Today, let's dive into The Alchemist, one of the most loved novels in the world. In just a few minutes, I will share the magical story and the powerful life lessons hidden inside. The story begins with Santiago, a young shepherd from Spain. He loves traveling with his sheep, but he keeps having a recurring dream. A child tells him to look for treasure hidden at the foot of the Egyptian pyramids. Curious, Santiago visits a fortune teller who confirms that the dream is important. Soon after, he meets an old king named Melchizedek, who introduces him to the idea of a personal legend, the unique path each person is meant to follow. The king tells Santiago, when you truly want something, the universe conspires in your favor. Inspired, Santiago sells his flock and begins his quest for the treasure. His journey takes him across the sea to North Africa, but almost immediately he is robbed of everything. For a moment, he feels lost and hopeless, but instead of giving up, he works at a crystal shop, learning patience, hard work, and how small changes can bring big improvements. With the money he earns, he decides to continue his journey toward the desert. In the desert, Santiago joins a caravan where he meets an Englishman who studies alchemy, the legendary science of turning metal into gold. The Englishman tells him that true alchemists seek not just gold, but spiritual transformation. Santiago begins to realize that his journey is more about growth than riches. At an oasis, Santiago meets a Fatima, a woman of the desert. They fall in love, and Santiago faces a difficult choice: stay with her or continue pursuing his personal legend. Fatima tells him that true love never stops someone from following their dreams, her sport pushing him forward. Finally, Santiago meets the alchemist himself, a wise man who teaches him the greatest lesson: to listen to his heart and recognize that the soul of the world is connected to everything. Santiago learns to trust in himself, even performing miraculous acts like turning himself into the wine to prove his strength. At last, Santiago reaches the pyramids in Egypt. He digs for the treasure only to be attacked by thieves. Ironically, one of them laughs and reveals that he too had a dream of treasure, but it was in Spain at an abandoned church under a sycamore tree. Santiago suddenly realizes the truth. The treasure was always waiting for him back home where his journey first began. But now he understands the real treasure was not just the gold he finds there, but the wisdom, love, and transformation he gained along the way. Let's talk about the lessons. Follow your personal legend. Your true purpose is worth every risk. The journey matters. Even failures and struggles prepare you for success. Love, sport, not stops. True relationships encourage your growth. Listen to your heart always. Your intuition connects you to the universe. Always remember, treasure is within. The real rewards of life come from the experiences, not just the destination. Thank you guys. I hope you like it. If this story inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more book summaries, and let me know in the comments if you could chase any dream right now, what would it be? Thank you so much guys. Always remember me in your prayers. Bye bye.